Guys, what is up? It's Country Beef vs. Games, and I have something like I have a new channel. Yay! Channel. And this time it's not gonna be like one of those ones that I did with Country Beef Vlogs. This one is gonna be I made it with my friend. His name's Rex Chrome. I'll put his name in the description down below. And yeah. This new channel is with me and him. We both make videos on it. I shared my password with him so we could both do it. And it's gonna be much more better, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And that's really it. Yeah. And I'm gonna have an episode, and I know I haven't made an episode in a while. I'm gonna have an episode of a really important message that I have to tell you. Okay, here's some of it. See you inside the next video. Okay, let me tell you something about this video. Well, the channel is called Two Boys Games. Boys. My boys over there. This is gross. It's like, yeah, it's called Two Boys Games. Me and Kyrie. Yeah, his name's Kyrie. Yeah, me and him were. Yeah, I just kind of told you that already. So I don't give up. Okay, yeah, check out Two Boy Games. Subscribe to it. Subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. That's it. Just like it, comment it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my new channel with me and Kyrie and Rex Chrome. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.